Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Yes, I still have inky hands. I'm doing all my videos all at once, so I'm pre-recording because I sat down and I crafted. Um, I was hoping to craft with some friends, but I believe they're quite busy right now. So um, this is for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. And I will have her link down below and the hashtag in the um, title. So you can click on it and check everybody else's creations. Penny is opening this up to anybody. It's an open collaboration. You can alter a playing card, a time card, an index card with any size. Today I am altering a 4x6 index card. I believe last week I did a 3x5 index card. So let me share. This is my card. Um, I use some Iralami hot. Here you see her. Just saying, Iralami shop over on Etsy. This is one of her. Oh my gosh, her Christmas plaids. I printed it out. And this is the pieces that I have left from that printout. And I used one of the Michael's ephemera, Christmas ephemera, that I think this was last year or maybe the year before. Have not used them, and I took them out and I wanted to use them today. I inked the edges with walnut stain and vintage photo. I also used, I think this is from her shop as well. I think these were word sayings. So I used, I think this is a die cut from Lawn Fawn. I could be wrong. Or somebody gifted, I don't know. It's a die cut. I don't know who it's from. Just looking at it. It might be from Lawn Fawn. I'm not sure. Um, this is a candy cane that I got at Michael's a long time ago. I think I got it for like 99 cents for a whole pack. And I wanted the gingerbread to hold, so a candy cane, and she has some marshmallows floating around her. It is so adorable. So that is my creation for this week's hashtag. I believe it's week 49. Um, wow, we're just moving along here. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.